Welcome to Aviator DB News Briefing. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2026. Here are today's top stories. Bond expands Bombardier order to $5 for fractional fleet growth. Boeing adds fourth 737 MAX assembly line at Everett facility. Airbus delivers 500th A220 as production ramp-up continues. Now for the details. New Orleans. Fractional ownership startup Bond has significantly expanded its commitment to Bombardier Inc., upsizing its aircraft order from $1.7 billion to up to $5 billion as of April 14th. The revised contract accelerates deliveries and converts options for at least 24 Global 8000 flagship aircraft. Bond also added firm orders for 4 additional Global 8000s, bringing its total commitment for the ultra-long-range jet to a minimum of 24 units. While the company initially launched operations with Challenger 3500s and Global 6500s, the latest expansion reflects a strategic shift toward flagship models amid strong market demand. The substantial investment underscores confidence in Bombardier's business aviation lineup as Bond targets expanded deliveries by 2027. Industry analysts view the deal as validation of the fractional ownership model within the booming private jet sector, positioning Bond to challenge established competitors with its modern fleet approach. Boeing Cowork is ramping up hiring for a fourth assembly line at its Everett, Washington facility, signaling confidence in demand recovery for the 737 MAX family. The company plans to hire 100 to 140 factory workers per week to staff the new North Line, scheduled to open in midsummer 2026. This marks the first time 737 MAX aircraft will be manufactured outside the Renton facility, according to Boeing representatives. The Everett expansion aims to increase monthly production capacity above 47 airplanes, supplementing current rates moving from 38 toward 42. Initially, the line will focus on the 737 MAX 8, 9, and 10 models, while undergoing low-rate initial production for Federal Aviation Administration conformity. Hiring extends beyond assembly to roles in logistics, tooling, transportation, and storage. The International Association of Machinists and Aerospace Workers confirmed the scope includes first, second, and third shift manufacturing managers starting in Renton before transfer to Everett. Airbus delivers 500th A220 as production ramp-up continues. April 20th, 2026, Aviator News Network. Airbus announced April 10th that it delivered its 500th A220 aircraft, marking a significant milestone for the narrow-body program. The achievement coincides with accelerated production, as the manufacturer delivered 60 A220s in March alone, more than the combined 54 units delivered in January and February. The milestone brings first-quarter deliveries to 114 units, representing about 13% of Airbus's annual target of approximately 870 aircraft. However, March output of 60 units remains below the 71 delivered in March 2025, reflecting ongoing supply chain constraints, including Pratt & Whitney engine shortages that continue to limit production ramp-up. The 500th aircraft reportedly went to Air Baltic, potentially registration YLBTF, marking the Latvian carrier's fourth A2-2300 delivery of 2026. The current fleet comprises 67 A220-100s and approximately 397 A220-300 variants, with final assembly continuing at facilities in Mirabel, Canada, and Mobile, Alabama. Despite strong order book demand, including 408 gross orders in Q1, led by major deals from AerCap and China Eastern, supply constraints prevent Airbus from reaching its target rate of 14 A220s per month. That's all we have for today. You can get the latest aviation news at aviatordb.com.